Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious cheese omelet sandwich. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 large eggs, 2 slices of your preferred bread, and 1 slice of cheese. Also, have 1 tablespoon of butter, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper on hand. These basic items are all you need to create a satisfying and quick meal that's perfect any time of day. Now, let's make our fluffy omelet. In a small bowl, whisk your 2 eggs with a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper until they are light and frothy. Next, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Pour the whisked eggs into the warm pan, cooking for about 2 minutes until the edges set. Then, place your cheese slice on 1/2 and gently fold the omelet over. With your omelet ready, it's time to assemble the sandwich. First, toast your 2 slices of bread to a beautiful golden brown, ensuring they are perfectly crisp. Once toasted, lightly butter the inside of each slice. This adds a wonderful richness and prevents the bread from becoming dry. Finally, carefully place your warm, cheesy omelet right between those 2 buttered slices of bread. You're almost ready to enjoy. Your delicious cheese omelet sandwich is now complete. For easier handling and a classic presentation, I recommend cutting your sandwich diagonally in half. This makes it much simpler to eat and enjoy. Serve your freshly made sandwich immediately while it is still wonderfully warm and the cheese is perfectly melted. You can also pair it with a side of fresh fruit or a small salad for a truly satisfying and complete meal. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.